When Mechatronic first opened for business back in 1988, there was one employee, Richard. His first year's turnover was £100,000. There was no internet, no emails, no mobile phones, and people still use something called Tip-X. We now employ 45 people and turn over nearly £7 million. We work in many high-tech sectors, such as aerospace, medtech, automotive, and with some of the most recognised names in worldwide manufacturing, for example, Rolls-Royce, JLR, and Ricoh, to name but a few. Richard and the team have worked hard over the years to build an enviable reputation for innovation and engineering excellence that is highly sought after. We have a programme of employing young apprentices, and the average age of the workforce here is 41. That's obviously excluding Richard. We invest heavily in developing new product and solutions, and last year alone invested over £1 million in research and development. We have exciting plans for the future and are actively looking at recruiting more skilled engineers and expanding into new premises to cope with an increased order book. We have a plan to double the size of the business in the next 3 years and are on track to deliver that. Despite the uncertainty created by Brexit, and I'm hoping someone's going to ask Andy a few questions about that when he comes, we are confident about the future. We have a young, dynamic, experienced and highly skilled team who are working hard using the latest technology to deliver for our clients, both in the UK and overseas, improved productivity and reliability to their manufacturing processes.
Because this is a brilliant Birmingham success story, as you all know. You don't need me to tell you that. So the 3 decades to lead is really an incredible performance. And I think some of you will know that it's been recent times that things have really come together. And my briefing notes that in the last 5 years, this business has grown by 4 times, 40%, which is an incredible performance, and is now exporting to really leading companies around the world. So, thank you.
Before you say a few words, we'd just like to thank you for the support, your passion and your ingenuity over these 30 years. And the team at Mechatronic have clubbed together, and we brought you a little gift just to say thank you and just to mark the day. So, Liz, do you want to bring this on stage?
Very, very happy.
Bloody hell, amazing. Oh, well, what can I say? Do I open it now? New pair of shoes?
Yes.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's for drinking wine outside.
That is for drinking wine. we know your hobbies. We couldn't quite reach to a sailing boat, so
Waterford Crystal.
A nice carafe and some glasses.
Irish Waterford Crystal.
So that's from all the team at Mechatronic, Rich.
Oh, gosh.
So,
Red wine was
oh, they're red wine. That's the one. Oh, amazing. Like Christmas. Oh, wow. Oh, that's beautiful.
thank you, Rich.
Well, what can I say, but thank you. I'm quite blown away by that. That's surprised and delighted, elated. And I have to say, every time we stand up as we do in front of our teams, I look round, I go, every time I go, you know, there's more, and there's more, and there's more. And the faces stay, which is fantastic. And we have a lovely culture and great people. I'll come on to that a little bit more. I won't keep it too long. You see, as a septuagenarian, I don't have large brain covered in rail now. So, Andy will be here, we hope, on the 8-minute past train into Kings Norton. So we will probably reconvene. This is to give you guys a chance to have a little to eat, come back maybe for his words. I just want to say thank you first of all to Paul. And Paul joined us 2 years ago to come onto the board. Wow, what a difference. You know, accelerated the professionalism, the way we operate as a business, steady hands, fantastic. And you heard a little bit of that today. on his vision of where we are, where we're going. We have a very strong management team now, and I have to say we had two great conductors for the orchestra today, in Richard and for Chris, and behind him the team, everybody that pulled their weight was amazing, and it was really nice to stand back and watch it happen for a change. So I thank you all again, and thank you for my lovely Prezi. Cheers.